Alright, Mike, this what I got, man. Everything comes on, the engine just spudding but won't start. This carburetor is a little bit different from this one. Like, it's a little bit smaller, but because I couldn't get the needle that goes down in here. But that's all I'm getting from it. Maybe I'll probably get a start if I keep spraying starter fluid in the carburetor. But besides that, it just won't budge. Just won't give me nothing. See? Just won't give me nothing, man. I'll be switching gears. Engine down, man. I don't know what's going on. Sometimes it might start, sometimes it just doesn't.